Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Connolly, and my idea is Bionic Paws and Claws. We make 3D printed prosthetics for animals. There's a multitude of animals that are in need of prosthetic limbs, but very few companies exist that can make them for a fraction of the price of normal prosthetics. Bionic Paws and Claws is dedicated to beating out our competitors on price while providing the highest quality, easily modifiable 3D printed prosthetics. In fact, we'll match or beat our competitors. Once the business invests in a 3D printer, the only other cost you have to worry about is the amount of plastic or materials used to create the prosthesis. I'd like to keep this business as philanthropic as possible, but as far as revenue, my research shows by charging double what the product is worth in material, it can help pay for prosthesis for animals and owners that do not have the means to pay for them. Of course, with our differentiation strategy, we will gladly help animals in need and partner with local organizations like Barks and wildlife rehabs to spread our message using social media. It's a win-win. What do you think?